We'd like to introduce you to our new 19-inch true shockproof rack mount kit, a lightweight option for keeping your valuable equipment safe whilst in transport or when vibration is an issue. Let's meet the family. We have 2 depths available, 450mm deep. These are available in 2RU, 3RU, 4RU, 6RU, and 8RU. 550mm deep, available in 8RU, 10RU, 12RU, 14RU, and 16RU. Made from a strong cold press steel, making sure your equipment is safe whilst racked, and finished off with that professional looking Titan AV black powder coat. These shockproof racks are fitted with 8 rubber pieces. This is what gives the rack its true shockproof and anti-vibration characteristics. With rubber having flexible and elastic properties, most small vibrations will be absorbed by this rubber. You can find these on the website using the search bar and typing Shock Mount Rack System. Check them out and let us know what you think.
All Titan AV products are sold exclusively through VFM Group. Head to the website vfmgroup.com.au.